So here's how to live stream on Twitch. So first, to start live streaming, you'll need a software, which is either you can use OBS or Streamlabs or the Twitch app. So most people actually use OBS. So you want to open your browser and then type OBS in the search bar, and then click on the OBS official website. And from here, you want to download OBS Studio for your specific operating system. So for this case, I'm downloading it for Windows. Now, once you complete the download, you'll follow the steps to install it, which is pretty easy to do. Now, once you install it, the program, you should open it and start configuring it for the live stream. So first, you want to go to File Settings, and before you start streaming, you should have a account on Twitch TV. So you want to sign up to Twitch TV with your email and your specific username. Now, once you finish the sign up process, you want to go back to OBS Studio and then go to the settings, go to Stream tab, and then select the platform you want to stream on, which is Twitch, and then click on Connect here, Connect Account. And it should open up a window with a username and password. So you want to type your account username and password to log in. So I'm going to log in real quick. Now, once you log in, they will send you a 6-digit code to your email. So you will check your Twitch email or the email you used in your Twitch account. And when you enter the code, it should start verifying, and then you will see that you have been connected. Now you can select a server. So if you want to pick a specific region server to improve your stream quality, you can pick whichever region is close to you. Otherwise, you can use auto recommend and it will pick automatically for you. Next, you want to adjust the settings. So you want to go to the video tab and then make sure we use our screen native resolution. So for me, it's 1920 by 1080. I can't change it right now because I'm recording. Now you want to go to the audio and then pick your default output device. So for the desktop, you want to select your headset or speakers or whatever device you're using. And same for the input here for the mic auxiliary audio. You want to pick your microphone. Now, once you finish that, you want to also use stereo, and default I think is 48 for the sample rate. Now, once you configure this, you can leave pretty much everything else the same except the streaming tab here on the output. So you want to use a high bitrate, depends on the quality you're targeting for your stream. So usually it requires a good upload speed, and it's recommended to use value between 6,000 and 8,000 based on your internet speed. So the higher your upload speed, the higher this bitrate should be. So for example, for 720p, I think you should use 4,000, and for 1080p, you should use 6,000 bitrate. And then once you change the value depending on your upload speed, you can simply press apply and then press OK, and two windows should appear on the sides. So you can simply adjust here the title of your the stream title. So for example, you're streaming IRL or stuff like that, and here you can specify a message that should be sent to your subscribers or viewers as a notification, live notification. And you can also pick a category. So for example, IRL category, you can select it in this window. You should also use tags that describe your stream. And then you should pick a language, and if you want, you can specify if it's a return, which means a pre-recorded video being played, and if it's a branded content and all that stuff. It will help people find you easier on Twitch. Now, once you complete this, you can press done. You can also close this window if you don't want to see it there. And on this side, you will see the stream chat in this window, or the Twitch chat. And you can dock it to each side of the OBS software. So you can also close this window if you don't want to see it here, or you can move it to another screen. So if you want to see those videos, those windows back, you can go to the docs, and then you want to click on chat to like bring back the chat window again. You can also click on stream information to bring out the information that you can modify again. You can also see the stats and viewers and stuff like that. Now to start streaming, you will simply need to press start stream, and that should start broadcasting to Twitch. So I pressed start stream here. Now you will see if you go back to your Twitch account, so Twitch TV / your username, and you should see your stream live. So let's wait for it to load a little bit, and like that you should see your stream is live. So if you want to end the stream, you will simply need to press stop stream or stop streaming, and that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.